Hey there, coffee aficionados and on-the-go caffeine addicts. If you're anything like me, you understand the sheer bliss of starting your day with a perfect cup of coffee. But what if you could enjoy that exquisite cup of joe anywhere, from the mountains to the beach, and everywhere in between? Well, that's where the Aeropress Go travel coffee maker comes into play. In this comprehensive review, I'm going to spill the beans on why the Aeropress Go is a game changer for coffee lovers on the move. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, a camping enthusiast, or just tired of subpar hotel coffee, this nifty gadget promises to elevate your coffee experience. So, let's dive in. The Aeropress Go, your perfect coffee companion. Number 1. Superior taste wherever you roam. The Aeropress Go is a traveler's dream come true. It's engineered to deliver exceptional coffee without compromise, regardless of your location. Picture this, you're in the heart of nature, surrounded by serene beauty, and you crave a delicious cup of coffee. The Aeropress Go is here to make that dream a reality. The secret behind its fantastic taste lies in its unique brewing process. It brews coffee rapidly, extracting all the rich flavors while leaving behind the bitterness and grit often associated with traditional brewing methods. Every sip is a smooth, pure delight, whether you prefer it black or fancy it up with cream and sugar. Number 2. Freedom from hotel coffee. Raise your hand if you've ever cringed at the thought of sipping on that bland, lukewarm hotel coffee. With the Aeropress Go, you can finally break free from this morning's misery. This compact coffee maker ensures that you always have the power to brew your coffee just the way you like it. Number 3. Compact and convenient. The Aeropress Go doesn't just stop at brewing the perfect cup, it's also incredibly portable. This is where its design truly shines. Inside this compact package, you'll find a microwavable mug and a lid that doubles as a traveling case. This ingenious design means you can brew your coffee anywhere, from your hotel room to the great outdoors. No need to worry about lugging around bulky equipment or compromising on taste. Number 4. Versatility at its best. One of the standout features of the Aeropress Go is its ability to brew both American and espresso-style coffee. With just one press, you can make 1 to 3 delicious cups, perfect for sharing or indulging yourself. But that's not all. This little wonder can also whip up cold brew coffee for those hot summer days or create the base for your favorite lattes and cappuccinos. Number 5. Designed in Silicon Valley. Made in the USA, the Aeropress Go is not just another coffee maker, it's a product of innovation and quality. Designed in Silicon Valley, it embodies the spirit of cutting-edge technology and meticulous engineering. Plus, it's proudly made in the US, ensuring that you're investing in a product that's built to last. Why the Aeropress Go is a must-have. In a world where convenience often trumps quality, the Aeropress Go offers the best of both worlds. Here's why you should consider adding it to your travel essentials. Unmatched taste. You'll savor every drop of coffee brewed with the Aeropress Go, thanks to its superb extraction process. Portability. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with its own mug, making it the ideal travel companion for coffee lovers. Versatility. Whether you're in the mood for a bold espresso or a refreshing cold brew, this coffee maker can do it all. Quality assurance. Designed in Silicon Valley and made in the USA, the Aeropress Go is a testament to quality craftsmanship. Endless adventure. With the Aeropress Go, every adventure becomes a coffee adventure. Explore new destinations while enjoying your favorite brew. In conclusion, the Aeropress Go travel coffee maker is the perfect solution for those who refuse to settle for mediocre coffee during their journeys. It's a compact, versatile, and high-quality gadget that ensures you can enjoy your favorite brew wherever life takes you. So, if you're ready to elevate your coffee game and experience the joy of a perfect cup wherever you roam, it's time to make the Aeropress Go a part of your travel gear. Say goodbye to disappointing hotel coffee and hello to coffee nirvana on the go. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enjoy coffee perfection wherever your adventures lead you. Grab your Aeropress Go today and start brewing your way to coffee bliss. Thank you for tuning into this review, and until next time, may your coffee be strong and your adventures even stronger.